Hey there, Canadian drone fans, it's Rich G again. And so what do you do when you're bored and, all the world events are happening and you're sort of stuck indoors for a while? Well, you review a waterproof case. Yeah, absolutely. Now you're wondering why I've got this on a towel. Well, the opening credits should have showed it, and we'll show more footage here soon. This very impressive case by Lekufee. It's got some really nice sturdy latches here. It's got a good dual hinge system back here. Pretty sturdy construction. And when you take a good look at it, what I wanted to show you was that in here, a rubber gasket here, and it's a one-piece gasket, and it runs down the entire seam. And I'll pull this back a little so it can be in camera. As you can see, it runs down the entire seam of the case. And then there's a hard ridge here, and then there's that rubber gasket that runs in here all the way around. You've got two really solid hinges here. All right, so we got the camera in a better position here. Got a foam insert here. It's my Mavic Mini all tucked in there. Now the beauty of this case is, if and when more Mavic batteries are available, I could use these three compartments here to actually store 3 more batteries. So not only would I be able to store the 3 that I have here inside of charging hub, but also 3 in here. Also, we've got a spot up here for the power adapter, for our cables, and of course for the controller. The thing I like about this case is the depth, and you can see that there. Now notice what I have on my Mavic Mini. I've got these silicone blade grip holders, some PGY Tech landing gear extensions. So what I've done, essentially just gone in, just used an X-Acto knife and just carved away a little bit of this hard foam and just made it so that I can take my Mavic Mini with the silicone blade grips, so you can see that, and I've got my PGY Tech landing gear extensions, which are awesome. That all now just goes right inside. As you can see, nicely fits in there. I've got my little screwdriver here for if I have to change props. And I can always put spare props in that cable underneath the Mavic Mini and still have a spot here for my cables, my controller. I always like to get a good value for a product, and Lekufee makes some waterproof and IPv6 rated cases for other Mavic drones as well. I believe they have one for the Spark Air, also for the Pro series. As you can see, this comes down and fits really snug. You've got a little loophole here. So technically, if you wanted to put a small padlock there, you could on either side of the case. As you can see, the hinge construction is really good. I just put this through the test, and well, it was the let's fill the tub up with water and then let's force it down. Let's push it down under the water and see if any water gets inside the case. Trying to drown the Mavic Mini in the tub coming up. Okay, let's do this. So as you can see, there's my Mavic Mini in the Lekufee case, all tucked away. Let's snap it down tight. Make sure those latches are sealed and everything's snug as a bug in a rug. And then here we go. Time for the big dunk. let's see what we've got for results. Is it dry or is it wet? Did I just ruin a perfectly good drone and a battery? Looking good to me. Everything's dry as a bone. The seal does a great job. If you're interested in more content like this, good comments or questions, please feel free to add them below. And until we meet again next time, take care and we'll catch you again.